Hi, how are you? Welcome back to my channel. I am the Frugal Fun Mum here in Adelaide, Australia, and today's video, another What's for Dinner, it's week 4, and thank you to the person who told me that I completely missed last Sunday night, and I have spent like an hour thinking what we ate, so it can't have been that memorable because I'm really struggling. I don't even have any footage in my phone, so if it comes to mind, I'll come back and tell you, and then maybe it means I have to make it again. I've got a feeling though that we haven't had it, I haven't shown it before, so because I was trying to make sure we had something new. So yeah, I no idea. I've had a sleep since then. I don't even remember what I had for lunch yesterday, let alone a week ago. So yeah. So it is currently a Sunday night, and I've just realised it's like 6-ish, and we need to do dinner. So we're going to have a look in the fridge and the freezer and think of a plan, because this is exactly how things go. I do have this, but I'm not sure that Jeremy will. Jeremy, are you gonna eat this? I think this is a no. I think what I'm gonna do is maybe tomorrow night I'll give them a curry chicken thing, and I'll have this and I'll test it, and then we'll see what we do. Yes. So we're having pizza for dinner because we have cooked chicken. That's the main thing that I need, and I have everything else that I need, and pizza bases. So let's get cooking. Hey everyone, how are you? Future Kelly here, doing the Monday night intro because it's nowhere on my phone. So Monday I was busy filming and editing and doing a whole bunch of things, and then by the time I realised it was 4 o'clock and I need to get dinner organised, and the only thing I could think was chicken, but it was frozen rock solid and it wasn't going to defrost in time, and people get frustrated when they have to try and cook frozen food, which I understand. So I just pulled out meatballs, and we'll have that with spaghetti because that's pretty easy to cook in the pan. So I left that for them to cook, and here's what it looks like. Hey everyone, welcome to What's for Dinner. It is Tuesday night. Oh, I've had a long day. And so far we have frozen chicken. So whenever I get home from Zumba, we'll determine what we have, because we just had to fix some parts of the toilet and the bathroom, and yeah, so I need to go in a few minutes, so whatever the family choose to cook is what we'll be eating, so I guess I'll show you when I get home. Hey, Future Kelly here, just to let you know of what happened. So I planned to have that chicken, but then I got guilty leaving it again for a second night for someone to cook. So what I started to cook was the chicken burger patties that we have, and I was putting in chips. I'd had that all in there, and then Kira said, why don't we just do burgers? And I was like, right, because I was really pushing it for time to get it finished before I left for Zumba. Tuesday nights are just mental by the time we get home and I have to leave again. So they had burgers. I didn't. I made my burger patty, into like a Parmigiana, and I shouldn't have reheated those chips because they were just terrible. I only ate a couple and then I chucked them. Yeah, so because I left this last bread roll for Scott for school the next day. So that's what happened Tuesday night. Why my meal, and why there's no picture of burgers, because I wasn't here. Hello, it is Wednesday and we are having rice with chicken that we didn't have last night, and I'm going to make some honey chicken with the batter that we got from the Woolworths haul the other day. So we'll see how we go. Hello and welcome to What's for Dinner Thursday night. So I've just been Markdowns shopping today after Zumba, and we were going to have a lasagna, but I forgot to take the mince out of the freezer this morning, and it was too hard to try and message someone to go help me. So instead I just happened to find this chicken at the shops that I wasn't looking for. And we'll probably have some mashed potato and some veggies, and I think I'll cook Scott some chicken nuggets and chips because he probably won't eat this, but I'll give him some veggies on the side as well. Okay. Hello, it is Friday night. Welcome to What's for Dinner. We're going to have these chicken drumsticks, and I got this coating southern fried chicken at the shop, so I'll do those, and wedges, sour cream and veggies, so stay tuned. Hello, it's Saturday night, and we're just gonna have a lasagna for dinner. I think I'll make Scott croissants with ham, cheese, pineapple, and probably put a sneaky dessert in there, so stay tuned. week of meals that we've had for you guys. I hope you have enjoyed them. I remembered what we had last Sunday night. We actually had some sausage rolls. I nearly forgot again. I'm there like I can see it, but I can't remember what they're called. So I had footage on my phone, but I had done like this really long filming of food prep, and at the start of it there was like this chicken thing, so I didn't realize that under that was the sausage roll thing, because I did a few other things which I probably will need to refilm and re-edit anyway for another project that I've got coming up. So at least you know now that we had sausage rolls. If I remember, I'll try and put some sort of recommendation picture in here. There is a video though, however, we have made them before here, so you can check that out. And yeah, so I tell you, if it's not written down, photographed or recorded, it's not here. Thank you so much for watching. Please give this video a like and comment below. Let me know where you're watching from. I hope that wherever you are safe and well, and I look forward to seeing you next time. Bye.